LJY was kind enough to send me a roll of their ribbon to try and order in exchange for my honest review. And I have to say, when I saw this, I actually was surprised at how beautiful it is. I love the color of this one. So this is the Champagne Gold, and it's just such a pretty like cream. I just think it looks so beautiful. So it is satin, but it also has like a little bit of a texture to it. Not necessarily one that you can feel, but one that you can see. I'm trying to see if I can get it on there, but it has just like a tiny bit of texture on there, but it is so pretty. It feels nice and smooth. And whether you are needing this to do some crafting or gift wrap, or just even as a hair tie or like a little necklace tie, you have so many options with this ribbon. And this width is a 0.59 inch, and then this whole roll is about 24 yards. So it's going to last you a long time and still look beautiful. It's going to go far, and I know I'm going to use this so often, and you should for sure check it out.